Hello there and welcome back to another video. So this video is about Buffer, social media management tool. So this is really a great website for the influencers and any person connected with social media. So you can grow your audience with this buffer.com software. So first of all, you have to head over to buffer.com. So here we can see some reviews. For example, this one with Laura Westmore. I have had Buffer for 4 hours now, and I honestly don't know how I functioned without it before. Okay. So as you can assume, this is really a perfect tool for scheduling your content and upload it onto social medias, for example, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and many more. So if you want to get started with Buffer, simply tap on to get started for free. And before we get started, you can see this link right here, buffer.com. You can check it out and go visit this site. So after tapping on the get started for free, you have to enter your email, then you have to create a password of your own. So I'm going to type in a password of my own. So let's type in a password, and then you have to tap on to sign up. Okay, so let me add it up, and I'm gonna tap on to sign up here. So wait, now maybe we have to, no, we don't need to capture it. And that's it. This is what buffer.com dashboard looks like. Now let's say you want to connect a channel of your own. For example, if you want to connect a channel, a YouTube channel, you can say, you can connect it. You can connect Facebook page or group, Instagram business or creator account, LinkedIn page or profile, and many more. You can just check them out. And if you don't find the app that you need to connect with, here you can see this plus icon, which is basically the one that where you will find the apps. You just have to search it up. For example, if you want to connect it with Discord, you can just simply search for Discord, and there you go, the Discord has been shown. You just have to tap onto it and then you can add it. For example, I'm gonna connect right now my let's say I want to connect my Google business account. So you just have to enter your business account, Gmail. I'm gonna choose this one, then you have to tap continue, and then you can see wait, let it load completely, and then you can see that the page has been added. So as you can see, it is connecting. Okay, there might be some issues that, okay, sorry, I mean this Gmail account is not a business account, so it is creating an issue. So this is how you can connect a channel and you can run it. You can so let's connect another account. Okay, let's try to connect another account. Okay, this one. You can select all, then you can tap continue. So there we go. Now you can just tap on to finish connection and our YouTube will connect it within no time. So that's it. You can check it out, all done, and you can get started with the posting goal. You can commit to posting goal or you can skip it. For now, I'm going to tap on to commit to posting goal, and then you can create your whole schedule according to your need, and that's it. Now you can check out your all posts, your drafts, your scheduled posts if you want, your sent photos. And from connect Facebook, you can connect it. You can also connect LinkedIn if you wish to. You can create new posts from here. For example, okay, let's buffer.com tutorial, yeah, 2025. Okay, now you can drop a video of your own if you wish to. So let me just choose a random video for here. So I'm gonna choose this one, and there we go. Now you can also add thumbnails if you wish to. You can add the title right here. So I'm gonna choose this one and then I'm gonna add it to here. And also you can choose it to automatic, like Buffer will post automatically for myself, or you can get a notification whenever you want, and then it will upload it. You can choose the categories from here. You can choose the visibility very easily, and you can schedule it all in one. So wait, let the video load. Till then, we are gonna go to another site. For example, let me go to Buffer again and show you other features of Buffer. So there we go. Let's get started for now. And there it is. Now here you can see this plus icon. You can build your stack from here, and the question at the question mark here you can see the help center of Buffer. If you have any problem using bufferai.com, or you can say buffer.com, you can just connect their help center. You can check out plans and pricings, app and integrations for iOS, Android extension, and Zapier integration. So as you can see, you can even use browser extension on Buffer, so it is really useful thing. So we are going to check out the plans and pricings, but before that you can check out its suggestion feature and all other things. For now, let's check it out. You can see that the prices of Buffer AI you can upgrade from here, and this is basically the yearly offer. That means if you buy this one, you have to pay for the whole year on advance, and if you don't want to continue with it, then you can continue with the monthly offer, where you can go with monthly like offers. So you can check them out and you can confirm and pay it very easily. So let's go back and check out our site. So there we go. You can check that this is added to it, and you can add emojis here. You can add these things, but like if you want to create AI based hashtags and optimize your YouTube journey or any other social media platform journey, you can do it, but for that you have to upgrade these options. So I already showed you the pricings here. You can check them out, but for now I'm going to cancel it. You can see, so now you can save it, save as draft. Also you can add it to queue. Okay, so this will what it will look like you can check out YouTube short preview. You can also tap onto this. Okay, let's cut it out because this is the YouTube short side and I uploaded a bigger size video. You can also upload files from Dropbox, Google Drives, Google Photos, or from OneDrive very easily from here. And you can also add many more things. You can also choose it whether it is made for kids or not. So that's it. Now let me go out. We can add text from here. So let's tap on to discard changes. So here you will see all the scheduled or published videos from here, like when you publish the video or when for it was scheduled. Okay, you can use it very easily. So let me explain that why you should use Buffer instead of directly using social media platforms. So if you are using Buffer, then it is really AI made software, so it will target, or you can say it will analyze everything for you without your knowledge and your hard work. You can easily just come up here and check out all the things, all the details and everything from here. So that's why you should use Buffer instead of using directly from the social media platform, because it will help you to publish your content, schedule your content and your content analytics, etc. You can manage your channels if you want right from here. You can connect more channels right from here. You can use it for Instagram and many more. So that's it. If this video is helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care, goodbye. And from this new icon you can check out a post, idea and many more. You can schedule them. So goodbye.